Hey guys, game day is right around the corner and we have no appetizers. We're going to be making a quick and easy garlic knot recipe that we'll serve with marinara. We'll be serving it with our homemade marinara. We'll put a link to this at the end. You can use store-bought if you would like. We are starting this recipe with store-bought dough. So this was the one, you can get it in the sheets or the ball. We got it in the sheet and we're going to roll this out. It's already been rolled out a little, as you guys can see. We didn't want to spend all your time. Y'all know how to roll dough. We didn't feel like we needed to show you that. Um, and then we're going to treat this very similar to how you would treat a cinnamon roll. We didn't need that. This is butter, olive oil, a little bit of parsley, and garlic. They're garlic knots, right? So we're going to brush this on. We're going to stay away from that edge right there because we got to have some way to get this thing to stick together. You'll want to be very liberal with this. We're going to go over it just one more time, make sure that we got plenty in there. We want everybody to be able to taste the garlic. Won't be no kissing tomorrow. Okay, so now we're going to roll this up. And as I said, you're going to roll this just like you would if you were making a cinnamon roll from scratch. With it being on this paper, it makes it really easy for you to lift that dough and get that roll going. You want to keep it as tight as you can and start at one end, get it rolling, go back to the other. This is on parchment paper is what I have the dough on. Okay, so we have gotten to the end. We're going to take the last piece and we're going to bring it over your roll and just do a little pinch so that it adheres to your dough and you keep it in a log. Pinch, pinch, pinch. You might need to get a little bit of water to put on your fingers if it's not sticking good enough. And then pinch your ends. Just kind of roll them under, okay? So I have this sealed, or what I hope is sealed pretty good. And we're going to turn it over so that it's laying with the seal down. We can use our paper to do that. And then you'll notice when you turn it over, you're going to have a little bit on the ends that are going to be revealed now. Just seal those up. Preheat your oven to 450. And I'm just going to shape this a little bit prettier. Now I'm going to grab a muffin pan. I have a prepared muffin pan here. And I'm going to cut these and they will go into this muffin pan. About 1 inch. And you're going to take it, put it right in your prepared muffin pan. You can see how they look here. So they are holding that form for us. So we have got these in our muffin pan, and I'm going to dab a little bit more of our butter, oil, garlic mixture on the top.
You never have too much butter.
No, these also can be frozen, and you can pull them out and eat them with your spaghetti or baked ziti or any of your Italian dishes, or just pull them out of the freezer and eat them for a snack.
We have a wonderful lasagna recipe in our channel that you can search for when you subscribe to our channel.
And it's a
good with.
It will, and it's a veggie lasagna, and it is delicious. One of my favorites. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit. I'm going to put pizza seasoning on this one. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on top. You can put oregano on it. You can put basil on it. You don't have to put anything on it. You can put parsley. I'm also going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. This is going to bake in that 450 degree oven for about 15 minutes. Well, that's when we're going to start checking it. My muffin pan too was prepared. Okay, so I sprayed this with a nonstick spray before I put my garlic knots in. So there you have it, ready to go in. How quick was that? Okay, these are just out of the oven. They were in the oven at 450 for about 18 minutes, and they are beautiful. Come in here. They almost look like little rosettes there. Again, these are our garlic knots made from pizza dough. So let's open one of them up. Oh, it's so crunchy. Look. Mm, I need a little bit of marinara to dump this in. Mm, that Parmesan cheese on top, Parm cheese. These are perfect. These are delicious. Perfect appetizer. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button as well as notifications to get all of our videos as they post. And until next time.